Hey, welcome to Donald Miller's Electrical Services. We're again in Ardmore, Pennsylvania, and we're on another knob into Rewire. We're right now on the Ardmore-Haverford border. The home that we're in now was built in the early 20s, definitely built before 1925. There's no metal lath in the ceilings on the first floor, which is a common indication of a home built before 1925. So let's take a look at this one. This one does not have floor protection. The homeowner is going to be redoing all the floors. They're going to be resanding. So we really don't have to take care of the floors. We don't have to put ram board down. So we can really just kind of get in here, get it done, and get moving. Here's the front. All right, that's one of our channels. That'll be for the first floor as well as the second floor.
Hey, Jess. Yep.
We're doing recessed lighting. All right, we sometimes can use the recessed lighting for power on the second floor, but not always. 15 amp circuits are shut off right now.
Okay, so that's on a 20?
Yeah, that's on, well, it shouldn't be on a 20 if it's off. 20s are supposed to be on. Kitchen, we're keeping as is. All right, tile floor is coming up. This area is untouched. It's an addition. All right, here's some of the preliminary wiring. All right, and onward and upward. The three-way system is usually the #1 system that's not rewired. So we're always having to rewire them. That's just normal in every rewire. All right. Again, carpets are being removed. No floor protection on this one. I will go to another house in Ardmore that we ram-boarded the whole house, 3,600 square foot home. This one, we're doing recessed lighting. All right. Not too much to be said about it. It's a rewire. Every room. We're right in the middle. We're at day 2. We're gonna bring in a GFI here. There was some renovation work, so this stuff we don't have to rewire. It's grounded, so that's good. All right, and here is an addition that was put on. It was put on really early, probably 50s or 40s. Windows were redone, obviously. So we're gonna do a couple recessed lights in here. But yeah, that's really about it. This is our plaster, one of the plaster tubes. But again, thank you for watching Donald Miller's Electrical Services, and take care. Oh, happy Father's Day to everyone out there.